Good evening, Leadership Outreach Toastmasters. Francisco Palacio here, checking in. Although we're going to have the Leaders Forum next, I thought of asking for this speech time to complete a Level 3 Pathways project titled Using Presentation Software. And the reason why I picked that title is because I am trying to figure out what to do with all this content. And what I mean content is everything we do here in Zoom, as you know, can be recorded. What do we do with the recording afterwards? Please follow me. We're going to go there. First of all, there's this thing called YouTube that we all know that is super cool, but like everything else, it's more technology. And sometimes the videos, they come in and they're a little raw and you think, what else could I do? And the project asks you for that. So right now I have this presentation that I put together in PowerPoint that I'm using to blend in. Blend in, you saw my face. Now I'm here on Zoom. I'm trying to use Zoom as a mixer of sorts. It's a free app and it does a lot of things. In the project, we have, of course, principles. Understand best practices, clarity, conciseness, good slides, high quality slides, and demonstrate the ability to present using presentation software as a tool. That's where I went ahead and asked myself this question. So again, how about all that Zoom content? I don't know how many of you have a Zoom account, but I'm trying to encourage people to start playing with that. All you need is your Facebook or your Google, or you set up an email and password. And you can only not just create video files, but those files can be saved, will be saved as audio locally, which you can think about those podcasting and vlogging, I don't know how to pronounce it, the video blog projects. As I showed before, those can be uploaded straight to the cloud. YouTube is free with Google Gmail. And my catchphrase, if you will, is to collaborate, to create content and curate it. We have both pathways projects as well as updated district guidelines to that effect. And with that, we're gonna go all the way to the cloud. Earlier, I worked with Sam on a simple upload, and today I am moving forward with a shorter one. I learned a lot from that first one. That's another thing about recording this. You get better at it. Technically also, you were using the same user interface. It's very similar on a PC. And the principles are the same. And they work with properly packaged content or even on the go. So here's me again. Personally, I'd like to put the face in, and so you guys don't just see slides all the time. That's what I'm trying to orchestrate here. And right now I'm gonna go back to sharing so we can go into the YouTube. Always when sharing these kind of things, you may want to optimize the screen for sharing video clip. That will also share the computer sound. Something at the bottom, when you're hitting the share button, watch out for that at the bottom left. So here's the YouTube channel. I have to stop the video. I think that makes for a better recording. All we need to do is go over here where it says create a video post. On the top right, I'm going to put a box around it. Okay, and of course it's a small box. I need to create a bigger box because guess what? Once I get my mouse back, you click in here. We're gonna hit here where it says upload video. Again, we go up on top. We're gonna go upload video, okay? And since this is like the 5th take that I've taken, we're gonna use a video from our public relations manager that she graciously helped us work with and that we may have a chance to look at during the Leaders Forum to understand why I'm showing you this. We do a select file. This is the file that we recorded with her. It's a small file for demonstration purposes. We select it. Again, you're gonna see Zoom MP4, the larger file is usually the video one. And you also have an audio only file that's ideal for podcasting purposes. We hit open. And here we go. Don't ask me why YouTube is fixated on Germany, much like me. Put a date in here. This is from the email that she sent the other day, which again, they're looking for people to do more of this. So and you do this while the video is processing. These thumbnails, you can also create one separately and upload it. The video processed. As you can see on the right side, I'm gonna start drawing. It's there, tells you what the file name is. You want to keep an eye on this. You see this progress bar down here. That will give us a thumbnail. And I'm going to clear all these drawings. And I'm going to get my mouse back. Something very annoying about Zoom when you're doing annotations. You have to get your mouse back. So these video elements, train station as they call it, we can ignore it. There you go. As you can see, we have a real nice smiling Adele versus the one that he picked up, and we put that one in there. And now we can see her face. Very important. Always check your thumbnails. We hit next. We're gonna bypass. Oh, I forgot this. Now they have this box here that you have to say that no, it's not made for kids, and who the audience is. So very important. Don't skip that. Get my mouse back. No, it's not made for kids. And we hit next. Again, this portion right now, it's irrelevant to us, again, because we're using PowerPoint. And then visibility, I have it apparently by default unlisted. And we're done. So again, on this train stop, you can choose, I leave unlisted, you can use the link, but it's not public. People are not gonna stumble on this. And that reminds me a conversation on getting releases from those people that we videotape with at least a basic, hey, can we hit the record button, especially here in Zoom. We get my mouse back, hit save. And ta-da, now we have Adele's video. We can put it in 55 different places and flavors, of course. Facebook and Twitter. Embed is for web pages. I personally just copy the video link and share it everywhere. So today, and now it's gonna show up on my dashboard. So here it is, I uploaded. So today again, all the way to the cloud, we work on the simple upload. We're gonna skip this. And that's a wrap. I mean a wrap because as I put this inside a PowerPoint to comment on collaborative content creation and curation, and put my video back on, I felt, yes, why not? To be able to use PowerPoint as very basic but powerful video editing tool to wrap the speech and, you know, put an in and out credits, all those things that sometimes are kind of mind-boggling on traditional video editing software. Please consider PowerPoint. I think that broadly fulfills the objectives of this project. And I know I went a little bit over time, but considering that this is what I was going to present on during the Leaders Forum, you already know what I'm talking about. And please stay tuned. We may get to hear Adele's pitch. After all, I'll wait and check with the Toastmaster, Mr. Toastmaster.